welcome to Chase's Kitchen and Kendall's Cooking. Today we are making soft pretzels. We are going to make them from scratch. This is my cookbook that I got for Christmas. It has a cookbook that has food recipes. Today's recipe is soft pretzels. We're going to do this with you. So the first ingredient is bread flour, which is right here. Instant or rapid yeast. Kosher salt. Vegetable oil, packed brown sugar, room temperature water, and then we have all our measuring tools. So the first step is for the dough. In bowl of stand mixer, which is this, whisk together flour, yeast, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Okay, so you want to do it? 2 cups of flour into this bowl. Whisk flour and yeast and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Okay, next we gotta mix it all together. I'm gonna do yeast, okay. We're gonna put it on, it's locked, and we're gonna put it on like 1, 2. Whisk together oil, brown sugar, and 3/4 of cup of water until it tells you how much you have to add in here. Hang on. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, so that's 1. We need oil. Okay. Hey. Oh yeah, sorry. We need water. And have a vacuum. Now we gotta mix all those together. So first we're mixing our dry ingredients and now our wet ingredients until the brown sugar has dissolved. So while that's cooking, until no dry flour is visible. About 2 minutes, increase speed of medium, and knead dough for 8 minutes. So kneading is like getting it flattened and stuff. Dad, can you take my dinosaur? Chase, grab this out of my hands. This actually feels so cool. I like it. Whisk together oil, brown sugar, and half a cup of water. I meant like 3/4. Until brown sugar dissolves. We mixed it till the brown sugar dissolved. And then for the yeast and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, we did that. You gotta do this for 8 minutes. And if I was you, I would start a timer. Godzilla.
8 hours later.
So you guys switch doughs?
Yeah, we switch. I'm getting more flour.
I'm just wrapping it around my hands.
Transfer dough to a clean counter. We're just going to use this. And use your hands to knead for 30 seconds. Move the dough into smooth ball. See photo on page 61. Then spray inside of a large bowl with vegetable spray. All I'm doing is just pushing it together and then flipping it. And then you gotta spray the bowl with that oil. And then you put this in there and then you put it in the oven for an hour to an hour and a half. We'll see you in an hour and 20 minutes. I was mistaken. We had to let it sit covered for an hour and a half. And then we make the pretzel. Yeah, it doubles its size. So this is what it looks like right now. We just put it in. Then we're gonna do the plastic wrap and then we're gonna see you in an hour. Bye. Now I'm with my dad.
We're back. Chase left us, so I'll finish this project up with you.
Okay, so we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda and then that water.
When dough is ready, transfer dough to clean counter. Gently press and stretch dough into 6-inch squares. Use your hands and stretch and roll 1 piece of dough. Oh, that's gonna be a good pretzel.
It's not working for me. Can I?
I think this is gonna be a good one.
We need rum.
Chase, watch this. Ready? Oh, that might be the best pretzel yet.
I call it.
All right, use pastry brush to paint tops with baking soda mixture. Coat pretzels well for even browning. All right, so we have pretzel rods.
Pretzel bites, and pretzel rods.
Are they ready for the oven? What's the next step?
Let's check.
Place baking sheet in oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna do that now, and we'll be back in 12 minutes.
We'll be back in 11.
11 minutes?
10 to
Okay,
12.
11 minutes.
And we're back, and this is what they look like.
I think they came out pretty good.
Me too.
Look just like pretzels. Now we need to do what?
I think we need to like get the salt and butter on.
Melt the butter, right?
Yeah. Let's just see. Are they good?
Yeah.
So we got the kosher salt, melted butter. And these ones.
Really get it on there good. All right, so we're good. Cheers.
Cheers.
These are our pretzels. And I give them a B+.
Yeah, the bottom part.
A little bit. Thanks for watching.
Bye, please hit that like button and subscribe.
See you later.
Bye.